You don't need to go to a studio for your birthday photos anymore. If you want to learn how to take birthday photos without the smallest cost in the best studio, don't miss this tutorial. Go to the fit section and use the dropper and select the background color and increase the amount of photos space. Go to the tools and crop section and set the size of the photo to 16:9. Then go to the sticker section and search for the word birthday balloons gold. Then I go to the adjust section and adjust the light of the balloons. By raising up the temperature, I change the color of the balloons of silver to copper color. Change the adjustment tool as much as you can to seem natural to you. Again, I go to the stickers and select the happy birthday balloons. And with shadow section, I make a shadow for it, change the opacity of the shadow and blur it. Or you can change the location of the shadow with horizontal and vertical direction. By changing adjustment tool, I change the color of the happy birthday to copper color. We erase the parts of the balloon that fell on the subject with an eraser. Go to the effects and the simple section and set it on NTRL3. Go to the tools and the curves section. By changing the curves and the eraser option, I only keep the subject brighter and darken the light of the rest of the background so that it looks like that the light is only shining on the subject. You can go to the stickers again and add the photo of the cake to your photo. And from the adjust section, match the brightness, contrast and color of the cake with the photo as before. Now you have a free studio birthday photo. If you like the tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and send it to your friends so that they too can have a studio photo without spending any money. Goodbye till the next tutorials.